Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm gonna share Chick-Fil-A and McDonald style strawberry milkshake recipe. Me and my kids love the strawberry milkshake from Chick-Fil-A and McDonald. I'm gonna share a milkshake recipe without ice cream. If you want to add ice cream, feel free to add it. To be frank, I saved a lot of money after I started making this strawberry milkshake at home. It tasted exactly like how we get it in Chick-Fil-A and McD. Please do try it, you won't regret it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. You can use any blender or mixer jar. I'm using my Instant Ace Plus blender. To a blender jar, add fresh strawberries, strawberry syrup. You can adjust the syrup according to your preference. Add sugar. Adjust the sugar as per your taste. Add vanilla extract. Heavy cream, and milk. Close the lid and blend it together. I'm selecting the smoothie option in my blender. Instead of heavy cream, you can also add 1 or 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream or strawberry ice cream to it. I have given the recipe link for easy homemade vanilla ice cream and strawberry ice cream using a blender in a description box below. Please do check it. Super yummy strawberry milkshake is ready. Serve it cold with whipped cream and cherry or strawberry on top. Enjoy the super yummy McDonald and Chick-Fil-A style strawberry milkshake. It's cost effective, do try it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.